The mystery of life's origins unsolved. All right, folks, let's dive into one of the biggest questions in science. How did life on Earth begin? Earth is teeming with life, from the birds in the sky to the microscopic critters on your skin. But rewind the clock 4.5 billion years, and our planet was a barren rock. So how did that change? Well, the short answer is, we don't know. Now, if we did know, scientists would be able to recreate it. Imagine putting the right chemicals in a jar, setting the perfect conditions, and voila, life. But no one's managed to pull that off just yet. But don't be discouraged, we've got some juicy clues. Let's start with the basics. What is life made of, and where did those components come from? Life is a cocktail of chemicals like proteins and nucleic acids, carrying our genetic blueprints. These chemicals might seem complex, but their building blocks are surprisingly simple. Back in 1953, a young chemist named Stanley Miller did something amazing. He took water and three gases, mimicking the ocean and atmosphere of early Earth, heated the water, and zapped the air with electricity to simulate lightning. Within days, he had amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Fast forward to 2020, and researchers led by Sarah Simcook mapped out how these chemicals can transform into each other. Starting with just 6 simple substances, they showed it was possible to create tens of thousands of the chemicals found in living organisms. So, young Earth was a bit of a chemical factory, but having all the right ingredients doesn't mean you get a cake, or in this case, life. To be alive, something needs 3 things. It has to keep itself together, it has to feed itself, and it has to reproduce. Proteins are vital for life, and while they form easily in nature, that's just one part of the puzzle. For the last 50 years, scientists have tried to create these systems in isolation, hoping the rest would fall into place. But I'm a bit skeptical of that approach. Each of these systems needs the others to function. Maybe, just maybe, all 3 systems came together at the same time in a cozy little spot like a deep-sea vent or a warm pond. So, while the exact origins of life remain a mystery, it's not as baffling as it once was. One day, we might just crack the code. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the origins of life, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing content.